Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can publish our game free on game distribution and earn money from it. So let's get started. First, go to search on Google game distribution and you will find the website where we can publish our game. This website, click on it. Now you will see that it's good. It has millions of users. Now click on login and go to developer login. First you need to sign up on this site. Click on register and sign up. Because I have already registered on it, so I just click on login. Then we need to add our game to it, so I will see my game name. It's Wood Block Puzzle, so click on puzzle name, write a name on it and click on add. Now it will add our game. We need to add some information, then we are able to upload our game. First go to edit panel and write some name and also the width and height of your game. My game is 1080 by 920 and category is puzzle. Okay, I think puzzle, and tag game. You can give any name or game this way. Then go to and click on you can give any name. Now click on mobile ad and our game is supported, so click on this and save. I think it's asked to give some, so I will go to Play Store and click on Wood Block Puzzle. Do not skip anything. If you do this, your game will not accept, so just copy and paste any of the description that you want. So I think this one. Okay, I just show you the way how you can publish game. Now save it. Now our game is saved successfully. Change. It's so complete. Now go to upload your asset. Click on it. First you need to upload a 512 multi by 340 icon of your game. I have made already, so I will just upload it. Where is this? This one, 512 by 512, this one, 340, this one, and 1280 multiply 720, this one, and 550, this one. It will take some time to save it. When it's complete, now it will show successfully added. Now go to the it and now refresh again. Let's see. I think there is an error. We need to upload it again sometime. Okay, now it will edit successfully. Now go to checklist. Then we need to upload our game. Click on upload. First we need to upload it. Before that we need to download SDK. So go to click on packages. Sorry, I think we need to download SDK for it. Now game distribution, click on it and go to developer and click on SDK. Now select your platform. Because I am using Unity, so click on Unity, and all the instructions are given here. So I just need to download the SDK. Now my SDK is downloaded. Click on it, show, and drag and drop this SDK into our Unity project. Okay, now just import it. It will take some time. Now it is imported into our game. Now then go to the game distribution folder and click on prefab and click on game distribution prefab. Now we need to copy and paste our game ID, this one. Copy and go to your game and paste it here. Now let's save. Then drag and drop this game distribution SDK to your first game scene. Save it. The other thing we need to do is click on it, and we need to pause our audio when it will show ad. So go to game resume and type audio listener. Dot pause is equal to false, and copy the same thing, and on pause game callback paste it and view it when our game is pause, the audio will false. Now it will take some time to save this. Now it's saved. Now go to the first scene of your game, click on it, and in start simply loading script. We need to implement our ad on start and anywhere in the game where you want. Like I will show you game distribution dot instance dot show ad. Save it, copy, and paste it on our game, like restart game and main canvas. Paste here. This way you can also implement rewarded ad on this. If you want to know how to implement, you can comment me or message me. I will implement rewarded video ad on other game also. Now then save it. Simply let's test our game. First you need to see the game APK key is okay. Okay, same. Click on it. Now drag and drop it this way. So I will make a build. Go to build, setting, player setting, and simply click on build and name it the folder. Click on enter and it will make build for our game that will publish on game distribution. It will take some time, so I will resume video when this will complete. Now our build has complete. Now close it and go to the folder where our build is made. Now these three folders are built. Select all, right click on it and make a zip file from it. Click on it and OK. Now it will make zip file. Then go to the game distribution and upload this here. Simply drag and drop this here. It will take some time, depend on the size of your game. It will show successful message when game is uploaded successfully. Now it show. Let's test our SDK ad. Click on it. You are able to submit your game when you implement the SDK successfully. Now you see that the ad is show in our game, test ad. This is the test ad. Do not skip. It will show uploaded successfully. Then you can close your game. Now this way, this way. Now simply close it and click on request for activation. Now the game is added successfully in revision. It will take some time, depend on the games that they accept. If you have any suggestion or question, you can leave a comment. You can earn up to 1000 euro per month if you have good game. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. If you have any suggestion or question, you can leave a comment.